Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone had a good weekend. We've got a few decent movers this morning. Good morning, Juan. Good morning, Dave. What's up, guys? Good morning, DNF Bob. What's up, guys? So we got AGEN pushing up with some decent, significant volume on this push. Kind of slowing down some. We'll see if it can hold support over 4. We have GCAP making a big push up to 1125 before giving most of that big push back already. It's been finding a lot of support right here over 10, and so we'll watch it for a potential short if it breaks under that. We have MYSZ pushing up in a huge way, getting rejected at that 250 level, getting up to 264, and then getting pushed back down. So we'll see what it does there. Let's see, we have KBSF up to exactly 550. Watch it there. We have VUZI sitting at 870 now. We're going to watch it under this 850 level. We have ALQA made a big push up to almost $4, but then it gave most of that big push back. So not my favorite one, but we'll see what it does. LITB went all the way up to 435, sitting at 340 now, so gave back most of that push as well. Gonna keep an eye on it. CVO, small gap up from 120 to its high at 144. Gonna watch it over 150. And OTIV sitting at 177 now. Had this really nice push to exactly $2 and then got pushed back down. It's at 177 now. Gonna keep an eye on that one. And yeah, that's my watch list. I'll go ahead and add it to the chat room so you guys can see it. Good morning, Kevin. What's up, guys? All right, so AGEN. We also have LPCN. I don't know if you saw on this screen right here. Went up to 423. It's sitting over that 350 level now. Going to keep an eye on it. LITB, CVO. And I had a few more on my watch list this morning. I just didn't have enough room for all of these. But this is what I'm basically watching. Good morning, JT. What's up, guys? Okay, so all right. CNET. Yeah, I know that one was moving pretty big on Friday. Yeah, I mean, it had this huge push. We'll see what it does here. See if it pushes back over 350 or 250. That one looks interesting. I'll keep an eye on that one for sure. I still have to go through and see which ones of these are tradable on TradeNet. AGEN is nice. GCAP is nice. LPCN is not. CNET is not. I know MYSZ is, so that's cool. KBSF is nice. VUZI, no. ALQA, no. LITB, no. CVO, no. OTIV, no. Okay, so we have AGEN, GCAP, MYSZ, KBSF. I can't remember VUZI. No, VUZI is not. So not as many tradable on TradeNet this morning. All right, guys. Sorry, checking up on one thing. I opened up another TradeNet account. INPX CEI. Let's take a look at these. INPX. Looks okay. Need some more volume. CEI or CEI. Yeah, that one's gapping down some. We'll see what it does here. IBIO. TOPS. Moving a little bit. Still, I do have, I can trade some of these long, like OTIV looks interesting. You can see OTIV's pushing up. Good morning, Zokani. What's up, man? Yeah, we got some interesting with the. I'm gonna watch AGEN to see what it does. Possible gap fill is what I'm gonna be looking for with that one. Yeah, OTIV's pushing up, holding support nicely. We've got some decent movers though. This weekend was horrible, guys. So this weekend was my son's 4th birthday party, right? And so we had family over, we had cakes, we had a party all set up. It was a Spider-Man party, and we had everything all set up for my son's birthday party, right? So we all eat cake, or no, we sing him happy birthday. We ordered pizza for him. We have all these people over at our house, right? We sing him happy birthday and everything like that. Right before he's about to eat the cake, I noticed he didn't really feel well. He was, instead of getting excited about cake and ice cream, he was like laying down, wanting me to hold him. You know, and he's 4 years old. He spiked a fever of 102 right before he ate cake. And so everybody at the party is eating this cake that my son just blew out the candles on and then immediately spiked 102 fever. And so we had to kick everybody out of our house, go to the doctor, and, you know, get him checked out. It was ridiculous. Horrible weekend, man. Yeah, it was rough. Yeah, I think OTIV may run up here after this too. It's holding support nicely right here. So I'm curious to see what it does. I don't know, man. It was 102 fever, so I don't think it was. I mean, we brought him to the doctor. The doctor didn't really give us much answers. Um, he did a flu test, a strep test, tried to figure out what it was, and in the end, he came up with that it's viral, and so, we don't know. But yeah, it was rough. All right, so I'm watching ALQA. I don't think I can trade this one on TradeNet, but it looks like an interesting short. Appreciate it, Zilkity. Yeah, I'm sure he'll feel better. I mean, he's feeling better today. He's not at school. My wife's watching him, but he's feeling better. See if I can find anything else that's moving a little bit. PXS maybe. It's gapping up some. XNET. Some people have been talking about XNET. You see XNET sitting at 1960 now. It's gapping up some, but this one usually gaps up or down a significant amount overnight. So we'll see what it does. ABIO. Not enough movement for me to get really excited about it. Let's see. ITUS. Small gap. It could run. We'll see. DELT. Had this huge drop. I'm looking for it for a possible bounce on DELT maybe. CERS. Small gap. And it's tradable. Gonna keep an eye on that one. Let's see. AMPE. Not really too much movement. UEPS. Gapping up some. Not enough to get me really excited for it. ADAP. Small gap. AMPE. SGOC. WATT. I forgot. WATT is one I'm watching. WATT. Got some decent movers this morning. Yeah, I have two Zilkini. It's tough, man. I have a boy and a girl. Daughter's a little bit older than my son. A little bit easier to deal with in certain ways. In certain ways, tougher to deal with. But yeah, so we got CERS, small gap, GCAP, WATT for a big push here in pre-market, MYSZ, KBSF, VUZI. A few decent runners to keep an eye on. V-Ray. People are talking about V-Ray. Not enough volume. Hold on one second, guys. Okay, so we got a few decent movers. Appreciate it, Juan. Yeah, he's feeling better already. I mean, he's still running a low grade fever. It's not too bad. It never really went over 102. It's not the flu, which is good. It's not strep. So I think he's starting to feel better for sure. All right, so we've got some decent movers. Let's see. ISIG, small gap. No, not tradable. ALDR. ALDR is kind of interesting. Just broke the high of pre-market, sitting at 1485 now. It is tradable on TradeNet, so that's nice. ALDR. MTNB. Small gap. Good morning, Grant. Yeah, MTMB. It's moving a little bit. Let's see what else. CCCL. Not enough to really pay attention to. MEIP. MZOR. A little bit more expensive of a stock. OPRN. ORPN. Small gap. ADAP. PETZ. Yeah, we got a few decent movers. I'll probably keep an eye on these though. Yeah, MYSZ is probably my biggest watch. Yeah, MYSZ is probably my favorite. Then probably GCAP maybe. Got a few decent movers to keep an eye on this morning. And like I said, I signed up for another TradeNet account. And so I should have that login info soon. And I still have $500 left, $400 left on this one, so I'll have to. I figure the first one's just a learning one. No, not yet, Rotex. I've been taking big swings, man. But no, not yet. I'm down 300 maybe on it. All right, guys, so we got 20 minutes left until the open. SGOC. Yeah, SGOC looks interesting. Needs a little bit, excuse me, needs a little bit more volume. It's sitting just under that $0.50 at 145 now. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I'll keep an eye on that one. I'll be right back, guys. All right, I'm back. Nice, Juan. Congrats, man. Yeah, U-Stock's not perfect by any means. I definitely have my problems with them, but they're kind of a little necessary if you're a new trader, just because it has that cheap $1 commission rate. Everything doesn't work. Look at LPCN starting to wash out here. Filling that gap down. Yeah, one thing I've noticed is that none of these cheap brokers for new traders are perfect. TradeNet definitely isn't. U-Stock isn't. SureTrader definitely isn't. But some of them are kind of necessary evils to get to learn how to trade. So we got WATT, GCAP. Gonna keep an eye on a lot of these. OTIV still holding support over that 170 level. Same thing with GCAP. GCAP is holding support over 10. We'll keep an eye on that. Good morning, Pradeep. What's up, man? All right, so we have 15 minutes to the open. MFGP is a big gap down. Maybe a possible reversal. Look at this big gap down. Maybe a possible rebound. Going to be keeping an eye on that one. AKS. Yeah, AKS has been on a slow grind up these last few days. ALDR. Yeah, I've been watching ALDR this morning too. You can see this big move here. I think it's tradable. Yeah, this one's tradable on TradeNet as well. So we're going to keep an eye on this one. A lot of volume on ALDR. You like the more expensive ones. MZOR is pushing up as well. Alright, so here's the thing though. OTIV just broke under that support level. It's at 168 now. Gonna watch it, see what it does at this 150 point. But yeah, it just broke under that support, that big support level it had. SNES, small gap. XSPA. INSG. Look at INSG here. This one looks kind of interesting as well. Getting a little volume spike. Not that much, but moving some. Going to keep an eye on INSG. Not tradable on TradeNet. Looking at ears, SGOC. Keep an eye on WATT. Alright, so OTIV pushed back up over that support level. NTEC. CLSN. Yeah, NTEC looks okay. Needs a little bit more volume, not the best volume. We got SIFY. Gapping down some. AGEN is one I'm kind of keeping an eye on, along with MYSZ. Kind of keeping an eye on ITUS here as well. It's gapping up a small amount. ITUS. LITB. Yeah, I like LITB as well. We got OTIV back up to over that 170 support level. We'll see if it continues to hold there. I know we had the CNET and CNIT on Friday, big movers. We'll see what these do here. Kind of curious to see what CNET does. I believe I can trade this one. Yeah. I can trade CNET. Can't trade CNET. GCAP sitting right at 10 after this crazy move. Nice, Zilkany. Nice job, bro. Look at ALDR here. It's at right around 1550, right around that $half level. High of pre-market's 1560. Really big push. Gonna watch it for a possible gap fill down. See if it gaps down some after a small push at the open. GCAP's dropping under $10. Alright guys, it's 8:22. Got 8 minutes left till the open. TNDM. Yeah, TNDM. If it had good news, it may start to push up here. It's at 261 now. Closed at 252, so it's gapping up almost 10 cents. We'll see what it does. Got a few decent movers this morning. AGEN sitting right at $4 up to 405 now. We'll see how it reacts to the open. GCAP's dropping under that $10 level. It's at $9.95 now. We'll see what it does here. Good morning, Bashir. Hello. What's up, man? Keep an eye on KBSF as well. AGEN, like I said before. LITB. OTIV's at 174 now. Going to keep an eye on that one. Watching CNET, even though it's gapping down some, to see if it rebounds a little bit after this big drop. GCAP. See if it pushes back over 10 and holds. Alright guys, we got a little bit over 5 minutes left. Alright guys, I'll be right back, okay? Yeah, OTIV is holding strong over that previous support level. I'll be right back. I'm just going to go get ready for the open. We've got about 5 minutes left, so I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so we see GCAP pushed back over $10. We'll see what NYSZ does here. It's finding a lot of resistance at 250. Gonna keep an eye on it to see if it breaks over it. Yeah, it's on my watch list as well, Grant. It looks interesting. I'll keep an eye on that one for sure. I also have some trades left on Robinhood, so I might get some trades on Robinhood this morning as well. All right, so we see AGEN dropping down under. We'll see if ALDR flags a little bit here. MYSZ is trying to test that 250 level again. Yeah, T and DM had good news, apparently, somebody said, but it's not pushing up much. It's at 261 now. All right, guys, we got a minute left until the open. Good luck, everyone. All right, we got 30 seconds. All right, so we have ALDR pushing up. All right, here's the open, guys. Good luck, everyone. All right, so there's the open. NYSC pushing up to 260, 264. Up to 271. Big push on NYSZ. OTIV big drop now. VHC trying here. OTFV big drop. CHS. MYSZ up to about 260. ALDR pushing up to 1590, trying to test 16. All right, we got NYSZ pushing, making a huge move here, up to 270s again, testing that high of the day. Like I said before, I'm kind of watching this one for a potential short, depending on what it does here. MBOT. NYSC's trying again to get up to that 275 previous high. Let's see what it does here. ALDR big drop. Watching GCAP for potential short here. Looks like an okay short. ALDR big drop as well. All right, so I'm in GCAP with 50 shares going short. Let's see if it continues to head down. Down to 980, nice. There's the drop on MYSZ I was looking for. A little bit too caught up in this GCAP trade. That's the short I was looking for on MYSZ though. Kind of bummed out. Got into the wrong trade. Looked like a beautiful short there. Not really liking the spread on GCAP here. We'll see if it continues to head down. I'm probably going to bail out of GCAP here soon. Yeah, I'm going to get out. 750 loss. Really wanted to get an MYSZ here. GCAP looks like a good long now, honestly. As hate as I hate to get back in a trade right after I had a losing trade, but looks like a good long. I'll try it here. Just had a little bit of a washout long setup up to 1012. 1014. All the way down to 1002. Down to 10. Wow. Today doesn't look like it's my morning. My Thinkorswim isn't loading as fast as it should be either. Ugh, gross. I'm gonna get out. No, I bought instead of sold again, guys. Man. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe I did this again. Oh my gosh. I did it again, guys. I bought instead of sold. Great. Man. I can't believe I did that again, guys. That's rough for me, man. I did it again. I can't believe I did it again. I really wanted to sell instead of buy, but I ended up buying it instead of selling it. That's rough. $32 loss on the day plus commissions. Man. Not what I was looking for. You can see AGEN is pushing up nice as well. You're right, JT. That's one thing I need to do for sure. Can't believe I did that again, guys. I did that on Friday. You can see CNET starting to push up here, but I can't believe I did that again. Alright, so I'm in short on GCAP. Although it's not my favorite one right now. I don't really trust it that much. We'll see what it does here, but I can't believe I did that again. I was trying to sell to get out of the position, and I ended up buying another 100 shares. I was in there for 200 shares, and it just dropped quick. Rough. GCAP doesn't look like, I probably shouldn't even be in it now. Honestly, it looks like one of these that's just faking people out left and right. You can see CNET doesn't look too bad. CNET's pushing up. It's at 588 now. Honestly, it's kind of doing the same thing MYSZ is doing. It's just kind of faking people out over and over again. Goes up, goes down, you know, just faking people out. But you can see CNET doesn't look too bad. Yeah, I gotta set up hotkeys after today though. That's way too big of a loss. It's not the type of loss I was looking to take here. I'm gonna be down $50 on the day, and these two stocks are just faking people out. This one's up to $9.96 now. Man, today is just not my day. I got to be careful not to try to win back these losses, though. That's the biggest thing. Look at CNET here, though. CNET's up to 610. And OTIB ended up washing out at the open. But CNET's on a little run here. Man. Today is not my day. I'll let GCAP try to get over $10, but if it does, I'm probably going to be done with TradeNet for today. I'll probably end up trading on Ustock for the rest of the day. I don't want to take any big losses. I opened up another TradeNet account, luckily. Not luckily, but so I'll be able to start over. But first thing I need to do on my new TradeNet account is create hotkeys because this is frustrating. Look at CNET though, guys. CNET is up to 652. AGEN sitting right at $4. CNET continues to climb up here though. Look at that. CNET's up to 693, gonna test 7. Look at SRAX, guys. SRAX up to 650. Running big. Big pullback on CNET. SRAX is running. BURG has been trying to push. AMSC. WPCS. Oh, I got to get out of this one. On GCAP. I'll let it test 10. If it breaks 10, I'm out. It's at 10 now. Alright, it broke. Ugh, gross loss on the day, guys. Alright, I'm done with TradeNet. Super frustrating. Looking at CNET here, SRAX. GALT is trying to push and break that previous high, SREV. JMEI. Having a little flag pattern here. Man, that's a $50 loss. That's a huge loss on the day because I hit too many hotkeys, and I would have still been down like $15 or $20, but now it's a $50 loss because I didn't I wasn't careful and I ended up buying when I should have been selling. Clicking the wrong button. Again, that's the second day in a row. Super frustrating. And honestly, GCAP looks like it's going to continue to head down if it can't break 10. It's just faking people out. I should have kind of had the patience to stay in it, but oh well. Kind of watching JMEI here. CNET dropping down big. The only one I'm going to trade on TradeNet if I can trade is MYSZ if it breaks under here. If it breaks under this low of the day, I might try to short MYSZ. But until then, no more on TradeNet this morning. CNET, CNIT. Mark, M-A-R-K, having a little washout long setup. Alright, so there goes SRAX breaking that high of the day. Jump in with a small shear size in case it keeps going. 20 shears. See if it can get over 7. AVGR. You can see OHRP, a really cheap penny stock, broke the high of the day. Man, today is not my morning, guys. Look at OHRP running up here. Yeah, CNET's dropping down. I mean, I'm curious to see what it does under $6. Down to 666 on SRAX, up to 674. Gonna try to let it hold support over that previous resistance, but if not, I'm gonna bail out of this one too. Tough morning for me, man. I can't believe I did it again, guys. I hit the buy button instead of the sell button again. Second day in a row I did that. I'm not really liking SRAX here either. up to 680 again. We'll see what it does on this push. If it fails here, I'm not going to be very confident in it. It might just bail out of it. KOSS. There goes CNET testing under 6. Yeah, KOSS is kind of ripping here. Looks nice. Doesn't look too bad. SRAX is trying to get there. It's over 680, but it's not holding over it. ISIG. Yeah, we'll see if it has a little reversal here, if it drops under the low of the day. Honestly, I'm really not that confident in SRAX. I mean, I hope I'm wrong, but I've seen this before where it washes out right here. Hopefully I'm wrong, and it'll keep heading up, but not very confident in it. FEYE. FEYE's trying. GALT. XXII. Trying to come back here. CROX. Yeah, SRAX isn't looking promising. I'm going to bail out probably soon. I'm going to get out of here. $5 loss. Today is not my day, guys. I have a scanner SC. Let's see, MYSZ here. Trying. MYSZ is up to almost the high of the day at 275. Keeping an eye on that one. Yeah, Antoine, I'm right there with you, bro. Up to 273. NURO pushing over the high of the day. NURO. There goes MYSZ. Kind of an opening range breakout probably if you look at the 5-minute. Yeah. Up to 285. We'll see if it holds there. OHRP. Watching CNET here as well. See if it drops back down under 6. Yeah, I was long in this one as well. This one's following along with MYSZ. Kind of doing the same thing here. These two were the ones that hurt my account this morning. CPHI. Look at NURO here with that volume spike. Yeah, CPHI is kind of going sideways. Look at that drop on NURO now. Wow, look at that. Glad I didn't get caught in NURO. Look at this thing, man. Very weird pattern there. Today's kind of a scary market day, I think. A lot of fake outs. CERS, slow grind up here. CERS ran up some. Oh, dropped my phone. XXII. XXII has been slowly grinding up here. Looks interesting. It's at 334. MYSZ and GCAP just have not been reliable this morning. They've been faking people out left and right. They go up and down, just sideways choppy action, faking people out, break the high of the day, then wash out, go all the way down to the low of the day, then break back past and go to the high of the day again, get over it, and then they wash out again. So very sketchy stocks. Look at these big long down wicks just dropping people, stopping people out, heading back up. CANF. Yeah, dropping down low. SOGO, SOGO. Watching CNET here for a drop under that $6 level. AMSC, trying here. Watching CNET really closely here. Look at these huge drops on GCAP and MYSZ. Yeah, just not very reliable stocks this morning with MYSZ and GCAP. Just not what I would call reliable. Little sketchy the way they've been moving. They don't follow through with anything. ACRX. CRS is still trying to run here. XXII. Been on a slow grind up. LABD. Slow grind up as well. AVIR, getting a volume spike, waking up some. AVIR. STKL. VHC. NURO after that crazy drop. MSEP. PME. MYSZ pushing back up to that 282 point. High of the day's at 289. Look at AVIR here, testing that 59-cent high of the day. Watching MYSZ here. Looks to be failing after that second try. DELT had a really nice push at the open. See if it comes back up here. It's trying. SRAX dropping down. Still waiting for CNET to drop under that previous low. Also kind of watching MYSZ here. SRAX dropping down to 626. CANN. OTC, can't trade it. Alright, so CNET is over 6 now. Again. CCCR, look at this big volume spike on CCCR. Coming down some, we'll see if it holds support where that previous support was. CCCR. CCCR over 2. Alright, so I jumped in CCCR with 50 shares. See if it's going to hold over 2. It's at 203. You can see NYSE slowly creeping back up. Just broke the high of the day again. CCCR dropped under 2. I'll try to give it a little bit of time here. But man, today just doesn't seem like my day, guys. There's a 1-minute pullback. We'll see if it follows through here, breaks 2 and keeps going. At 2 now. 201. Got back up to 202. There we go, up to 204, down to 201. There we go, 207. $205, 207 again. See if it follows through here. NYSE is testing 3 now. 306. $207 again on CCCR. There it goes. Just broke the high of the day at 208. 209. 210. Hold on 1 second, guys. Okay, so that was actually TradeNet that was calling. My second account is all set up, and so I was speaking with TradeNet there. CCCR, it doesn't look like it's going to do what I want it to. We'll see if it keeps heading up here. I'm in with 50 shares, so a very small share size, but it's starting to drop now, so don't trust it that much anymore. I was on the phone, probably should have gotten out when I could have with a profit, but we'll see. I'll give it a little bit of time to work with me. Yeah, we'll see about that Zilkany. I hope so, but I'm not that confident in it right now. It had a big move. It's pulling back now, which it kind of needs, but it didn't run up enough after it broke the high day for me to be super confident in it. We'll see though. I'll try to give it a chance. It just doesn't look like it's going to push back over and break that high of the day. We'll see though. CAPR. CAPR had a nice little volume spike here. Look at CAPR, guys. But yeah, my second TradeNet account should be all set up within the next 15 minutes, he said. So all right, there we go, up to 214 on CCCR. Trying to break the high of day again. We'll see what it does here. All the way back down to 209. Big upwick. 213. A lot of sellers on the level 2. Looks like the same guy though. They might be just trying to scare people away from it. We'll see though. Look at the level 2. Look at this level 2, guys. How crazy is this level 2? Look at all the sellers. When I see that, though, it makes me think that it's just a professional trader trying to scare people away. So we'll see what it does here, but a lot of sellers on the level 2. Look at all these sellers. I mean, the bid's starting to get a little bit more stacked up, so we'll see. MYSZ breaking over the high of the day at 310 now. Look at this. Look at this level 2. Crazy. Look at this. 519. Yeah, you see that, Grant? I noticed that as well. It's gone now. I still see it popping up. He could just trying to scare people out, but big seller on the level 2. Biggest thing I don't like is this big long upwick here. Sitting at 207. I'm not that confident in it. We'll see though. Need some more volume. NVTR trying to push back up here. We'll see what it does. NYSZ. Down to 204. Now on CCCR. Down to 203. Down to 2. I'll give it a little bit of time, see if it can break. I mean, if it breaks under 2, obviously I'm going to get out. Set my stop at 198. We'll see if it holds over 2. Not that confident in it anymore. You can see NYSZ is still on this big run, guys, up to 334. CCIH having a little breakout play here. Look at NYSZ though, crazy move up to 350. Sitting at 350 now on NYSZ, crazy move. Up to 357 on NYSC, so it's still running up big. Big drop on NYSC. CCIH is kind of flagging here right under $3. We'll see what it does there. I'm guessing some people are going to start jumping in NYSZ for this pullback. And my phone is just called. Hold on one second, guys. Okay, so that was TradeNet again. My next account is all set up. And so yeah, I've been thinking about just using this current account and, try some larger sizing. Like, I know I've always wanted to use a little bit larger sizing since I use small. Today's not the day to give me the confidence to do it, but that is something I've been considering. So we'll see how that goes. See if I see anything that I really like later today. You can see CCIH here is trying to get over 3. It's struggling here. And my CCCR trade, I'm still holding it. We'll see what it does. Alright, so CCCR is up to 209 again. We'll see if it makes a push and actually makes it this time. Up to 209 on CCCR. We'll see if it follows through here. Tries to make another push to break the high of the day. Up to 210. All the way back down to 205. Alright, so I'm still watching CNET here, looking for a short under this low right here. Okay, so CCCR is up to 209 again. Been holding this one patiently waiting. CNET is down to 6. CPHI. We'll see here. It looks almost like a triple top. That's the only thing I'm worried about with that one. NYSC looks like a possible short here under this 325 level. MBVX maybe. CXRX. ARCI. NIHD. Look at this run on NIHD, guys. Little cheap penny stock running really nicely. A lot of volume. Big drop on NIHD after that big run, but it needed a pullback. We'll see if it holds over 50 cents. Honestly, I'm not that confident in CCR, especially it looks like lower highs right here. There's another big push on NIHD. Trying to break that high of the day again at 57 cents. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and bail out of CCCR here. Not confident in it at all for basically a break-even trade. Just not confident in my CCCR trade right now. If it couldn't break before. Not that confident in it now. CPHI is up to 50 cents. See if it breaks it here. CNET down to 93.90. There goes NHID. NOG. It's at 265 now, NOG. And CPHI broke that 50 cent level. It's up to 52 cents. Good call. I know somebody called that one out earlier. HTGM. Yeah, HTGM's trying here. All right, look at NOG, guys. NOG is on this big tear. And CPHI is up to 57 cents, right around 57. Watching CNET closely here. CRBP. CRBP's at 8 now. Here's a pullback on CPHI. CNET's trying to push 6 again. I'm patiently waiting for it to drop under this 578 level. NXTD. Look at NXTD here, guys. Wow. I completely missed this one. Look at NXTD, guys. Crazy move. And it is tradable on TradeNet. HTGM running up here. Up to 370. But yeah, look at NXTD after that huge push. We got CPHI flagging a little bit here. HTGM up to 371, 372. Yeah, the volume's nice on CPHI. There goes NYSZ here. Gonna keep an eye on it under $3. Broke down under 3 on NYSE. It's at 299 now. That's the drop I was looking for. Moved a little bit too quickly for me though. Alright, so I'm in NYSZ with 40 shares. It's back up to 303. Yeah, if this one doesn't work out, guys, I'll probably be done for the day. Not my day. Up to 306. 307. NXTD ended up dropping under 350. Sitting at 302 now on MYSZ. But yeah, this morning I've just been getting beat up in the market. It's been tough. Not my favorite day for sure. Down to 297. We'll see if it breaks under that low, 295. $297, 96, 95. We'll see if it breaks under. Hopefully that $3 area. Sorry, can't talk right now. Hopefully that $3 area will turn into resistance down to 394, 93. There we go, 92, 88. Hopefully it continues to head down. Sitting at 291. $295. Completely bounced back up. I don't like that jump. My goal is to get down to that 250 level. We'll see if it happens, but not that confident. Down to 293. We also have CNET dropping. Go ahead and set a stop for this one at 308, maybe 310. There we go, down to 288. $287. $285, nice. See if it keeps heading down. Word is going to find support here. We'll see if it keeps going. Still waiting for CNET to drop under this low right here. NYSZ bouncing to 292. $295. Hopefully it's just a bear flag, but we'll see. CNET's dropping like I wanted it to, and so is NXTD here. NYSE at 297 now. NYSE down to 292. Back down to 290. I don't know about CNET. It's holding support nicely where it where that previous low was at 578. We'll see. Kind of watching NXTD here. Breaks under this low at 327, it could wash. Alright, I'm in NXTD as well. NYSZ's trying 3 again. Don't really like this. Hopefully it gets rejected at $3 again, but we'll see. Trying to be patient with both of these, but I don't know if either of them. I've just been getting beat up in the market today. Has not been fun. Up to 304 on NYSZ. 306. I'm going to get out if it breaks over this previous high at about 309, 310. There's that 309. Give it one more cent. Yeah, no, I'm holding it. Alright, I'm out of that one. Man, today has just been horrible for me, man. This is the worst day I've had in a long, long time. I think I was forcing trades a little bit, but super frustrating day. Worst day I've had in a long time. I still think NYSZ is going to come back down and break under this 282 point, but it's too risky to hold it. Yeah, there it goes up to 317. It's just been a frustrating day. And I mean, I got a new TradeNet account, and so I can kind of play around with this one, use a little bit bigger sizing, take more trades than I would used to, but man, it's just been a tough day. Worst day, easily the worst day I've had in months. $340. Man, you're brave, man. I don't know if I would have held it through that drop, but hey, if it comes back up, it might work. We'll see. That's tough, Juan. Hey, man, maybe it'll come back up for you. We'll see. See, there it goes back down to 290s. That's what I said. I think it may still drop down below and break. You know, like this is just people stopping, people who are setting their stop loss here at this 308 level. It's just coming up to stop those people out, and then it probably will drop down, break under the low of the day. I don't know though. I'm just guessing, but that's what it seems like to me. It's up so much already. The last few days, it was at 98 cents 2 days ago, so. All right, see you, Zilkany. You can see CNET here is at 610. You can see CNET's trying to break over that previous high right there at about 618, maybe 620. It's trying. There it goes, just broke it. It's at 630 now. But yeah, today's been super tough. I gotta remember to have patience tomorrow. Just been a rough, hard day trading. Just been getting beat up in the market. I think I've been forcing a little bit of trades though. I think I've been forcing trades. After I accidentally hit the buy button instead of the sell button, I think I've just been forcing trades, trying to win back that initial loss that I took from that misclick. So yeah, it's been rough, but I'll be alright. It's just tough. It's the emotional side that gets you. Especially if NYSZ drops down and breaks under this low again. That's going to be the frustrating part. See, CNET's trying to get over 650. Next TD, the volume completely came down after I got in this trade too. Gonna be getting out of here soon, probably. Be done for the day. It's almost 11 a.m. market time, so probably end up closing the stream down soon, guys. Tough day. Gotta go do something else, get my mind off of it. Worst day I've had in months. We'll see if CNET pushes back up over that 650 level. But yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and set a stop for this NXTD trade, probably at about 342. And go ahead and close the stream down now. We'll see what it turns out. I set it 343. But yeah, guys, I'll go ahead and close the stream down now. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Click the like button right now if you want to help support us. Today's a rough day. Usually I do much better than this, but today's just been tough, guys. So if you haven't already, like I said, click that subscribe button if you want to see me day trade live every single morning. I also go over what's moving in the market. So if you want to see what's moving in the market, come join us every morning starting at 8:45 market time in the morning. Come check us out, guys. Hit the like button on this video. Good luck for the rest of the day, and I'll see you guys later. Have a good one, guys. I know, Team Blue, for sure, bro. Definitely overtrading. That's what I said earlier, man. I took that big loss. I accidentally clicked buy instead of sell. And ever since then, I've been trying to win back that loss, man. So, for sure, overtrading, bro. And I can admit it, too, man. It's definitely something I need to work on. Usually, I don't have to worry about it. Usually, I'm pretty disciplined. But today has just been tough. And most of the reason why is because overtrading. Like, I took that $30 loss, and I doubled it because I overtraded, which is something I for sure got to work on. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. I'll work on that for sure, but I'll be back in the morning. Later, guys.